we are back again. Now we're going to learn new sound. New sound, new words. And what we're going to learn? Do you know what we're going to learn? Yeah, we're going to learn new sound. New sound. Okay, what sound? Charlie, what sound is after K? Do you know that? Yeah, it's L. L is the new sound after K. Yeah, L. Okay, we're going to learn L sound. What's that? Do you know what is the capital L look like? And a small letter L look like? Hey, I know. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, everybody, now I'm going to show you the capital L and the small L. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, now I'm going to show you. Okay. Alright, okay. Alright. This is, what is this? This is capital L. Capital L. Okay, and then the next one you have you have over here. System. Yeah, this is small L. Small L. Okay, now yes, children, this is capital L and this is small L. Small L. Okay, Charlie, do you know what the sound of the L is? Yeah, it is. And do you know the song of the L song? Yeah, I know. Okay, it goes like this. Let me think. Do you forget already? I think. Yeah. I know. Lion licking lollipop. Lion licking lollipop. Lion licking lollipop. It's the sound of did I sing the right way? Yeah, right. Lion licking lollipop. Lion licking lollipop. Lion licking lollipop. It's a sound of it's easy, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, do you know L for what? I know. It's L for la. Let me show you what this love is. Okay, what's that? Oh, Charlie. What's that? You want to show love? Okay. Where's the love? Tell me where is the love? Yeah. Let me show you. Let me show you where the love is. Oh, where is that? Charlie, wait. Oh, this is love. See? L for love. Do you know what else Charlie L for? Yeah, I like lollipop. Okay, where's the lollipop? Let me show you what this lollipop is. Oh, L for lollipop. Yeah, I love lollipop. Yummy. L for lollipop. Yum. Okay, now, good work, good job, Charlie. Okay, now we will learn more words on L on the next lesson. Okay, see you. You want to come with us to the next lesson? Yeah, I want to join with you. Guys, see you later. Bye.